Okay, 15 minutes later, and there we go, all ready to go. There's the RAM there, 8-ton RAM, and of course it doesn't fold up. There is a fold up version, but the extension doesn't go out as far, and the capacity is only 1 ton. 2 ton, 1.5 ton, 1 ton and half ton settings. Just move the bolt, pulling out the extension, giving further reach. And of course the legs pull out as well. Those legs will come out, extend out for more distance and more stability. And the same with the back legs. These legs come out as well. Okay, and there we have it. 2-ton crane, ready to go.